Hello, this is steps on how to add your first post on any post you need and sharing. It will not take a minute. So let's start by browsing the font, typing blogygold.com. You just type blogygold. You can search on blogygold, or you can type the full URL blogygold.com. Blogygold.com magazine, it's the way to post an image, post a news about technology, about art, about sport, any type of news. First of all, you need to click on the menu and click login. If you have a username and password, you just log in immediately and start adding your first post. If you are a new user, you just need to click on register and then type your username and your email, then submit your request. Here you can type test or username and type test at hotmail.com, for example, and then you can send the registration. Validate yourself, then you can send your registration. It will send you an email to this URL or to this email to confirm your registration and enter your password. Of course, I have a login. I can log in with my account now. Marwan, username, password. Then you need to verify yourself. Login. You can save your login for next time, or you can keep it without remember you. If you lost your password, you can click lost your password and you can reset anytime your password. You can read the privacy policy as well about our site. Then you will continue. You can create your post. So in the main menu here, you can see up how to add the post. Just click on plus sign and then click on post. Then you can start adding the post. Of course, any post that will contain image and text, video, link to another site, category for the post, image for the featured image, tags, the title of the post as well. Here we will start type the title of the post, my new post, for example. Then you can start type the body here, body of the post as a paragraph. You can click here, for example, and add image to the post. Of course, you can upload the image, more size or more time to upload. You just click again and upload it, select it again. So the image here, the text is here, the title is here. For example, if you click publish now, immediately it will publish your post, and you can easily click on the site and see your post. And for example, if I open the site now live, immediately the post. Okay, this is my new post. You can see if I click on the post, my new post in the site, it gives you dates, and here you can see your post, one view, date of the post, the category of the post, the image that you insert, and here you can share it on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, and here you can go anywhere. So let's go back to the post and do the main important setting here, which you need to go for focus key phrase. That, like for example, you need to put the title here. It's about my new post, so you can say here it's a new it's a post, and you need to put some details here, like this is the URL of the post if you want to change it, and this is the meta description about your post. Here you can say about my new post, and of course you need to go for this menu here, setting. From the setting you need to do a very important things here, which is the category. You need to set a category for your site, and here you will see all the category. If you didn't find your category, you can add a new one. So now let's say this is for my new post, it's about news, so I can select news. If something else doesn't exist here, I can click add a new category and add a new one. So here I will put news, then I go for tags and put here news again as a tags. Also I can go for feature image. This is the image that will come with a news. I want to put a feature image. I can put the feature image from so now we have the image, everything is ready. Then I can update my post. If we go back to the site again and click refresh, go to the home page again, and let's see our change, what's happening to the post. You can see here there is 3 view now, so it's public, everybody can see this one. So we need to delete it because it's only a testing post. So now you can see the text or the post. We do it here with an image. Now you click on the post, you can read the post, and you can share it on Twitter, for example. Click on Twitter. It will open your account in Twitter immediately. So you can see the image is coming here, and you can click tweet, so everybody can see the post like this. See the description, my new post, it's coming here, so you can change it, and you can change the image as well from this location. If we go back to the post itself again, which is this one here, you can see here social, and you can have a special view for Facebook with a title and image, and another special view for your post in the Twitter. 2 different things. You can put an image for and title for Twitter, and put an image and title for Facebook. So that's all. There is of course a lot of setting here. You can benefit from it. You can add a gallery here. You can add a YouTube channel. Just put the URL for the YouTube, and you can insert the video you have. That's it. This is all about posting and sharing the your post on blogygold. Now if you want to delete your post, just click on all post again to see your all post here in the menu. Here you can go down, you can see the post, and click on trash. See, this is the information about the post you have, the name. You can edit, quick edit, view it, and trash, move it to trash. Here it has been deleted, and we can just double check if it's deleted or not by going to the site again. Yes, it does not exist anymore. So you can see there is 2 posts here, need enhancement, need to be add the feature image for it, need to change the category for it. So as much as you can, have your good image, good category, title for your post, and so you can share it everywhere in easiest way. So for example, this one, you just click on Twitter, delete, and then you can see it has been added to the Twitter with full text, description, image, and just you can click tweet the Twitter. That's all. Thank you for watching, and if you need anything, please send us an email, or you can contact us through the social